Hello, friend. What's up, and how are you doing? Maverick right here, and today we want to talk about a review of another high ticket program. Uh, it wasn't my idea; it was one of my subscribers right there that just asked me, Maverick, what do you think about the Closer Cartel, um, course? So I decided to dig a little bit deep on it, and this is just my own um verdict, all right, about this program. All right, so as you know, right here on this channel, what I talk about is product program reviews. Because there are a lot of newbies out there that are thinking about getting into the internet marketing world and just the online business and entrepreneurship alike. But not many people have an idea of how this thing works. So for you to make the best decision with your money concerning the program you want to invest in for your knowledge. That is why I'm doing this, so that you can make the best investment and not just spend money out there to all these gurus that are just trying to rip you off your money, just making money and getting rich and showing off wealth from the money you are paying them to purchase their courses. So today we want to talk about this Closer Cartel, and it's owned by Luke Alexander. So what is this about? Just like and if you don't know, it's about making money as an I-ticket closer, meaning you will serve as an I-ticket closer, closing I-ticket programs, something just like this. This is an I-ticket program like this Closer Cartel, you know, courses that are around $2,000 plus $1,000, like that. Some also around $800, $800 can still be considered around I-ticket. Even some 500 can still. So, but majorly 10,000, 1,000, $2,000 programs, they are always out there, and we've reviewed part in this channel. So, you know, these are all high ticket programs that a lot of people are thinking of joining. So, you will not be as a closer, okay, whereby you help all these brands, all these gurus, or even some organizations to close clients, okay, to help them to close clients to purchase their i-ticket programs. All right, so just like I said, i-ticket programs are programs that are kind of expensive, okay, for people to buy, so you need to push them to make purchase. All right, so that's what this guy is talking about here. So, and this kind of program is promising to teach you how you can become an elite i-ticket closer, right? So just like you can see right here, you can see some testimonials. Yeah, and this guy is kind of a young guy though. Luke Alexander, a young guy, and said he's making it also from this business. You can see the testimonials right there. You can see students enrolled 2,000 plus, sales 20 million plus, all that. All these are just to get you to enroll, right? Get you to involve in these, all right? So now the thing is that I'm just gonna, because just like as my subscribers already said, that she just want to learn, like, know if this is cool for her to go for. I'm just gonna talk about the drawback, okay? So the things you need to know about this kind of business, because this is more like a service, all right? So and these guys will tell you that they're gonna get you clients, but the fact is that by the time you get involved, you realize that there is no clients. Because just think about it: if you have a skill that is paying you very well, and you know it's not like you're gonna have like thousands of clients out there, you only have little clients that will pay you much. So will you be ready to really share your clients with other people just because you love them? No. So meaning this guy is also making money from teaching this, because there are a lot of programs out there that have their closer, okay, they have people that are closing for them. So except if you are really and extremely good at this thing, then it will be so difficult for you. All right, so this is one of the drawback, because it's more like a service. Just like I said, you're rendering a service, and these people need you. So that's just it. So now just like I said, if you have customers that pay much, will they be that generous to share with you? Because if we only have little customers, so will they be that generous to just share with you? You need to think about that. So you need to know that he's also making a lot of money from selling this course, and you are part of those that are making. If you're to buy this course, though, you're part of those that are actually making him rich, right? So now, if you don't also know how to convince customers, if you're the kind of person that you've not even spoken to customer before, like you've not even tried to convince someone to do something, then how will you be able to cope with this? Because this is somebody investing their money, okay? They're skeptical about this business, and they're like, is this something that can help them, and that can change their life? They want to invest $5,000, $10,000 into this. So you need to be kind of aggressive in your stuff. You need to be able to handle a lot of questions that they want to throw at you. So you need to be able to convince them. All right, so if you can't convince them, you don't even know how to convince you can't really speak much. This is not something you want to go for, because you need to be able to convince people. All right, forget the fact that this guy will teach you or do this, tell you how you can do it, but you still need to have that energy. You need to have the zeal within you to do this. Meaning, if you're not the kind of person that you've done sales representative before, you've not even done anything relating to sales before, you've not tried to make someone make purchase, then this is not something you can do. All right. So another thing is that you need to be able to, handle threat. All right. You need to be able to handle threat because there are a lot of people that are so weird. All right. There are a lot of clients that you pitch that they are so weird that you have all these foul languages, like all this kind of foul languages that might piss you off, and if you're not that calm, you might just fly up and snap easily. So this is what you need to consider also, because these guys, they want to invest huge money into a course. All right, it's majorly courses out there. They want to invest huge money into a course, and you're a closer for that course, and they've got to be aggressive also, and you need to be able to handle those threats and all that. So if you're not the kind of guy that can do that, then I'm sorry, this is not something you wanna consider. After all, the good side of this is that it doesn't require huge capital. Okay, you don't need huge capital to start. You don't even, except for the money to just join the program of this Closer Cartel, okay, by Luke Alexander. So that is all. The rest you can just do code pitching, okay, through email. At least you need to know code pitching. I hope it teaches that though, okay. So if it's not doing that, then that means the course is wrong. But if it's not that, then you need to know how to do code pitching, emailing all these ticket course owners to give you a shot. All right. So but you need to know that they already have their closers. So if you're not the kind of person that can do more than what their closers are doing, then it's more like you've wasted your money on this program. All right. So that is just my whole verdict about this. If it's something that you can do, if you feel like, no, this is something I can consider, this is something that is cool, I can invest a huge money for this course, and you can go for it, then it's all good. You can just decide to try it out. All right, it's your choice. All right, but if all these drawbacks that I've stated is something that is you exactly, that you can't handle trade, you can't even convince customers, and you also thought about it like, okay, fine, if this guy asks customers because he's rendering service, will he be that generous to share his customers with me? So just think about that. All right. So that is my home verdict. And if you're the kind of person that you want something easier, okay, something that doesn't require capital, something that you can just make money without even creating any product, then you can try out affiliate marketing. That is what I do. And the reason why I like affiliate marketing, my own aspect of affiliate marketing, is that I don't have to create any product. All I have to do is just to get in touch with a product owner, okay, and I tell the product owner, I'm gonna send you sales, and all you need to do is just share me the profit, okay, and we're good to go. Now, this is not even something difficult. All right, I know you might feel like, oh, where will I get product owners? But this is something that you're gonna learn. All right, so this is my own way of affiliate marketing, and I don't have to create any product at all. I just share the profit with the product owner, okay, and I don't have to involve in the delivery. I don't even have to involve in PayPal problems or all that. All I have to do is just to collect my own commission of 50%. So if the product is $1,000 and I sell the product, then I know that I'm getting $500. So imagine me selling 10, 20 of that. That's huge money for me. So this is an easy peasy stuff. All I have to do is just build an audience and do the right thing. So if you want to join me on this route, then you can just learn from my mentor, because I learned this also. It's not like maybe I just knew it just like that. So if you want to learn this from a mentor, my mentor, then I suggest that you just click the link in the video description. Okay, you're gonna see a link in the video description. There's the first link there. Just click on it. Or if you check the screen right now, you're gonna see a link in the screen. You can copy it and paste it on your browser, wherever it is, and get right there, sign up for the program. So it's not this exorbitant ticket courses. No, this is just a way for you to also make money for yourself without having to involve in all these ticket programs that you might even get every of your information right there on the internet just by browsing. So this is something spectacular in affiliate marketing that we do, and without even involving much stress. And this is something I do. Okay, so if I'm not doing review, I'm promoting my own affiliate marketing business, and I'm making a living from it. If you want to join me on this journey and learn from my mentor, just click the link in the video description or the link on your screen. I'm gonna see you right there. Thank you very much for your time. I hope I've been able to bring my home verdict to this, and I'm gonna see you some other video reviews. Enjoy. Peace. Bye.